In a shocking twist, Iranian lawmaker Ahmad Bakhshayesh Ardestani has drawn a link between the deadly pager explosions in Lebanon and the tragic helicopter crash that killed former President Ebrahim Raisi. Ardestani suggests Raisi may have been using a compromised pager, raising urgent questions about security gaps and possible foreign infiltration within Iran and its allied groups. Speaking to Didban Iran, Ardestani confirmed that Raisi did indeed use a pager, although he clarified that it might differ from the models Hezbollah operatives rely on. The lawmaker went on to urge Iranian intelligence to thoroughly investigate the circumstances behind the Lebanon blasts, expressing concern about Israeli infiltration in Hezbollah's ranks. The Israelis have penetrated Hezbollah's layers in Lebanon, Ardestani stated, further spotlighting Iran's role in supplying these devices to the group. The debate gained momentum after a photograph surfaced showing outgoing Iraqi Parliament Speaker Mohammad al-Halbousi seated next to Raisi with a pager visible on the table. This image has fueled further speculation about the device's role in Raisi's death. Raisi, a hardliner seen as a potential successor to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, died in a helicopter crash near the Azerbaijan border on May 19th. While Iranian state media initially blamed the crash on poor weather conditions, the new claims surrounding Raisi's pager have cast doubt on that explanation. Meanwhile, the death toll from the pager blasts in Lebanon has climbed to 39, with over 3,000 injured. The attacks, believed to be Israeli operations, unfolded on September 17th and 18, targeting Hezbollah members with booby-trapped pagers. Although Israel has not confirmed its involvement, the fallout is reshaping the geopolitical landscape in the region. As investigations continue, these events highlight how technology, security, and international rivalries are becoming ever more intertwined.